Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop a photo on CapCut. So as you can see here, I've already opened the CapCut apps, and then I've already add a bunch of photos that I want to make a slideshow with. So there are 3, 4, 5 photos, a video containing 5 photos like this, and then I'm going to show you how to crop a photo or to crop photo in CapCut. So just click on the photo that you want to crop, and then this toolbar will show up. You can just swipe until you find the edit option. Just click on that, and then you'll find the crop menu. Just click again, and then you can just crop the photo into your desired frame size. There are a few options that you can use: square or 4 and then 3 for like this. So I'm going to just use the free crop, and then you can just adjust the frame size like this. Okay, when you're done, just click on the check icon and the photo has been cropped. Okay, so that's it from me. That is how you can crop a photo in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.